feel like we need to feed him more, maybe. He has taken a suet block. I thought Beachy with the apples was bad. Ike. Ike. Psst, psst. Ike. Hi. Put the suet down. You're not a bird. Okay. Okay. You have, so, plates of cat food. Just for the record, there is food available. Clearly it's not exciting enough. Get you some salmon. Okay, leave the bird seed alone. Yeah, I know so. What do you think? Look, look, look. Oh, that's good, huh? You like that better than bird food? No, you like seed and suet better? I don't know if we have any. We don't have any of your little sticks left. I'll have to get you some more of those. I'll get them tomorrow.